This video I'm going to teach you how to set up A and B tests for HubSpot Sequences. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your sales, then locate the Sequences option. Once you're in there, you will be prompted to create a sequence. So click on this create, and then choose right here what kind of sequence you want created. I'll head over and choose right here my event follow-up sequence. So for this, click on create sequence right there. Now you will be redirected right here into this part. So what you can do is we just need to add an email step and create an A and B step. So here we have this email. You can head over and click onto this add A B test. Then you can choose right here the template that you wish to use as well. And then choose version A and what will happen to version B. Now once you're done with this, you can head over and see them. And after that, you can head over and save the sequence that you have just made. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.